Do you know what tonsillitis is and why it can be dangerous? Let's dive into it. Tonsillitis, in its simplest terms, is an inflammation of the tonsils. These small, soft tissue structures that sit on either side of your throat are more than just idle spectators. They're part of your body's first line of defense, acting as guardians against harmful bacteria and viruses that enter through your mouth. However, sometimes these loyal guards can get overwhelmed by the very invaders they're designed to fight. This is when tonsillitis strikes. The common culprits, both bacteria and viruses, can cause it, leading to symptoms that might seem all too familiar. We're talking about a sore throat, difficulty swallowing, and even a fever. You might also notice swollen lymph nodes around your neck, a telltale sign that your body is waging a war against an infection. So that's tonsillitis in a nutshell. But what happens when it's not treated properly? Let's find out. So what happens when tonsillitis goes untreated? Well, it's not just a bothersome sore throat anymore. You see, tonsillitis can escalate into more serious complications. Picture this: painful abscesses forming around your tonsils, difficulty breathing, or even the onset of rheumatic fever. Not a pretty sight, right? Now you might be thinking, how can we prevent this? The answer lies in early detection and prompt treatment. Now we know the dangers, but how can we fight back against tonsillitis? Stay tuned. So how do we take the fight to tonsillitis, you might ask? Well, treatments often include antibiotics to combat the infection, pain relievers to soothe the discomfort, and an emphasis on plenty of rest and fluids to support your body's recovery. In more severe cases, a surgical procedure known as a tonsillectomy might be necessary to remove the inflamed tonsils. Remember, knowledge is power. So there, knowledge seekers, ready to power up your brain cells for another round of mind-bending facts and fun? Meet me at our brain gym for another session of enlightenment and epic trivia battles. When you're armed with knowledge, you can confidently say, my, I know the answer, so hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons to join our quest for wisdom and wit. See you soon, smarty pants.